Package time. So I ordered some glitter from Glitter Makes It. That's I always go there. It's my favorite place. I ordered some refills because I used up a couple of colors, and I ordered some new colors that came out, and just some that I thought were kind of pretty. Anyways, you should check out Glitter Makes It website. It's glittermakesit.com. Anyways, so let's review. Let's see. So, Irish Spring. I really like this color of green. It's one of my favorites. It's really pretty. It's a new one. Tahitian Sunrise. Color shifts. I wish my video did better. This is a refill. Oop, I'm going to have to save that one because I've got a chunky that matches. This is another refill. So, I got this chunky. It's really pretty. And the fine, because I like to use the fine for the drips and drip tumblers. So, hibiscus. Then I ordered Paris Blooms, and it's 3 colors that they put together. They all match. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that with the blues. Lilac Sky. That one's pretty. Springtime Showers. And that's what I ordered, but I noticed there's more in here. They gave me some freebies. I can't wait to use these. I love these fine glitters. These two I could probably put together. Have this as the drip. They're really close. This one probably could go. No, not that one. It does go with this. It's in there. Anyways, Glitter Makes It.